NXP Semiconductors i.MX8-8X baseboard provides additional connectivity and functionality for the i.MX8-Quad-X Plus and i.MX8-Quad-Max multi-sensory enablement kit CPU boards, which are targeted at efficient, reliable, and media-rich automotive and industrial vehicle applications. The CPU board plugs into the baseboard via a board-to-board connector and has access to the I2C, UART, USB on the go, CAN, and Gigabit Ethernet ports. The baseboard also provides expanded multimedia capabilities with a camera connector as well as audio input and output using the included audio I/O board. A tamper header is available, and for designers requiring additional hardware, the i.MX8/8X baseboard offers an Arduino connector and a microbus interface, providing access to readily available and easy-to-use expansion boards.